A built-in banquette with stools can transform a busy family kitchen into a flexible dining and gathering hub without stealing floor space. Start by sizing the banquette to fit the longest uninterrupted wall and plan for at least 2 feet of bench depth to allow comfortable seating and easy circulation. Use a plywood box frame with a toe kick for a durable base and add plywood or medium-density fiberboard for the seat platform. Reinforce the front rail to support bench loads. Incorporate underseat storage as drawers on full extension soft-close slides to hold placemats, servingware and kid supplies, and design drawer faces to match the kitchen cabinetry for a cohesive look. For flexibility, fit removable cushions with zipped covers attached by Velcro so you can wash or swap fabrics easily, and keep foam density at a medium firm level for long-term comfort. If you need more seating, add counter height stools along a peninsula or island and choose stools with backs and a footrest. Aim for 12 to 15 inches of knee clearance between the underside of the island counter and the stool seat. Finally, consider an integrated foldable table leaf on a pivoting arm that stores under the bench. It allows the family to expand dining surface for holidays and tuck it away for daily use. People often underestimate drawer clearances or build drawers too shallow, which reduces usable storage. Measure drawer slide lengths and allow 2 inches of space behind the drawer face, so the full extension works and so larger items fit. Another frequent issue is seat depth that is too shallow, making long conversations uncomfortable. If wall length is limited, use a narrower, cushioned back bolster and plan for at least 24 inches of usable seat depth. A third common problem is fixed table heights that block stool use. Avoid this by designing the table leaf on a removable or folding bracket, or by setting the banquette seat height 6 to 8 inches lower than counter seating, so both stools and bench can share the table surface easily. We run BigHomeProjects.com, where we help homeowners explore multi-purpose seating ideas and connect with local contractors for project quotes and inspiration. On our site, we host a discussion community so homeowners and contractors can share real-world experiences, ask questions, and find practical solutions together.